bit of push down.
Listening to it as well as recording it for the test.
Well, good morning. Hey, today is a special day. Today, right now, we are gearing up for our first video shoot with the team from William Penn. And these kids are going to be dynamite. They're here getting their gear together. Here's Mr. Phillips coordinating everything with one of the students. And then over here, we have the rest getting their photo areas all lined up. And of course, here's our vehicle, and Sean, she's going to be doing the
car seat install.
That's right.
And a demo. Just cleaning it out, you know, while it's out of the car.
There's nothing to be embarrassed about. No. Hey, this is
real life, right?
This is real life. You got it, exactly.
Yes.
So our goal is to present real life situations, both from in the shop for auto repair, and also, of course, with safety, which is child safety seat, and also our newest thing would be driver safety, coming online pretty soon. But with these kids today, they're going to help us to start developing some films, some clips. We're really excited, looking forward to having their talents on hand, and it's going to be a good show. So stay tuned as we get through all of this, all right? See ya.